Here is a Trane XR14 air conditioner. It's got an Alliance scroll compressor. 2017 3-ton. And here is another one of those Linux ductless mini splits. One 9 ton from 2016. And here we have one of those older Rheem units. If I can find the data sheet, oh, here it is. And the compressor is right in there. It's got a Goodman scroll. It's a 3-ton. Can't find the manufacture date. Yeah, these are all Rheem. Oh. October 95. It's a 3-ton. Yeah, those are all Rheem Classic Series units. Here's a Goodman. It's got a Goodman scroll compressor. And it's also got a filter roller. This is from 2012, it's a 2-ton. This is an XR14. June of 2018, that is a 2.5 ton. Alright. So thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. Out.